Sego Sewaguego, Sarah Youngyutz. I'm a first-year student at the Ungwe Hui Midwest Collective Apprenticeship Program, and this is my mother, Deborah. She's going to show us how she makes ice cream.
So we're going to first add our 35% whipping cream into a blender. I have an ice cream maker. I like that too. You freeze the bucket, and then you take it out of the fridge, you make your ice cream, and it automatically freezes, and then you put it back in the fridge. The only thing with that is it sticks to everything unless you use maybe a tablespoon of vodka. The vodka won't freeze the ice cream, and it's great after that. Put my blueberries in. Let's try this heavy cream. Nice. Look how nice that is. Maybe we won't need to add the other one. We'll see how it turns out. I'm going to start with a low. I'm going to turn it on. We added blueberries because somebody liked blueberries, but now we're going to put different kinds of berries in there. It's boring. I like something with a little color. It's more tastier.
You're adding the whole bag?
The whole bag.
Are you going to have enough liquid?
Go home. Huh?
Are you going to have enough?
I hope so. If not, we got strawberries, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. And oh my, come see this. Now we didn't add no sugar in that yet. We just added this and this. We'll put a little bit in there.
So how long, once you're done blending it, do you put it in the freezer? What are you going to do?
You can serve it like that, or you can make it just before your meal. Put it in the freezer. Go eat for about maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and when you come out, it'll be just have a nice crust on it. It'll be just like ice cream. Okay, here we go, the sweet stuff. All right. Sweeter. Good.
How long can you leave it in the freezer?
If you leave it in the freezer too long, it's going to get so hard, you're not going to be able to take it out. That's why if you're going to eat it right away, I'd suggest you eat it right away. If you're going to freeze it, then I suggest you add some vodka. It keeps it from sticking. For kids, I would serve it to them right away. This is all, it looks like it's a lot, but once the kids get at it, it goes fast. Oh no.
Yawa for watching. Oh no.